Hello students, in our today's sessions we are going to be learn the one of the topic of our subject OCM, that is known as the trade. Okay, so let us start with this particular chapter. What is the meaning of the trade? In Marathi you can be said trade means nothing but a vyapar. Okay, see what is the meaning of the trade? Trade means one kind of process which include exchange of goods and services. Okay, but first of all you should be know what is the difference between goods and services. Goods are tangible in the nature and services are intangible in the nature. Now question is, what is tangible and intangible? Tangible means nothing but the commodity which can be seen, which can be touched. Just like you can take the example of pen, pencil, notebook. These are called the tangible goods. Okay, the opposite of the goods is known as the services. Services are intangible in the nature because services cannot be seen, cannot be touched. You can take the example just like a banking, insurance is a service. We can't touch the banking service, we can't touch the insurance service, even we can't see it, but definitely we can be feel it. Right. So trade means nothing but it is one kind of process which involve the exchange of goods as well as the services. But now the question is, why any business firm or trade is involved in the transaction of the exchanging goods and services? The reason behind it is nothing but earning the profit. For earning the profit, the firm, the business have to be do the transactions of the purchasing, that is buying and selling of goods and services with an objective of the earning profit. Generally trade includes two persons or two parties, you can be say. Okay, the first one is a buyer, another one is a seller. Without these two parties, trade activity is totally incomplete. Buyer means nothing but a consumer who is going to be consume the product, who is going to be purchase the product, and the another one is a seller who is responsible for the purpose of selling the commodity. Okay, so without these two party, the trade activity is totally incomplete. Okay, so let us study which kind of types of trades are there. Okay, if we are going to be check out the types of the trade, generally the trade are classified broadly under the two categories. Okay, the first one is called as the internal trade, the another one is called as the external trade. Okay, sometimes internal trade is also called as the home trade. First of all, understand what is the meaning of internal trade. Okay, sometimes internal trade is also called as the home trade. The reason behind it, what is the meaning of internal trade? Internal trade means nothing but a purchasing and selling goods and services within the boundary of the nation. Within the boundary of the nation. Okay, it means both parties, that may be buyer, that may be seller, both parties are from the same country. That's why sometimes it is also called as the home trade, because buyer and seller buying and selling goods and services, or you can be say the exchanging the goods and services within the home country only. Okay, that's why it is also called as the home trade, or it is also called as the internal trade. That is buyer and seller are from, both are from the same country. Okay, let us discuss in detail about the internal trade, then we are going to be learn what is the external trade. See, internal trade, as I told you, when goods and services are purchased or sold within the country, within the boundary of the nation, this is nothing but called as the internal trade, which is also called as the home trade. That you can be take the example like purchasing goods from the door salesman, the local shop, the exhibitions are some of the example of nothing but a internal trade. It means buyer seller both are from the same countries and doing the transaction of buying and selling. Okay, hope you will definitely understand what is the concept of the trade and what is the internal trade. For understanding in detail about the trade, you must be understand what is the channel of distribution. In channel of distribution is very much important point of the trade. In the channel of distribution, generally there are four parties are included. The first one is the producer, or you can be say the manufacturer. What is the role of manufacturer or producer? The role of manufacturer or producer is to take the production of goods and services. But now the question is, it is possible for the manufacturer to reach ultimately each and every consumer individually? No, it is not possible for that manufacturer to reach each and every individual customer. At that time, manufacturer or producer take the help of two intermediaries, which is called as the wholesaler, and at another side second one called as the retailer. When manufacturer or producer take the production of the goods and services, they are going to be sold that goods and services to the wholesaler in a bulk. Bulk means what? In a large quantity. Okay, means manufacturer sell that commodity in a large quantity to the wholesaler, and then wholesaler going to be sell that same commodity in a small quantities to the retailer, and ultimately retailer is going to be sell that commodity to each and every individual consumer. Without this channel of distribution, trade activity is totally incomplete, because it is not possible for that producer or manufacturer to reach each and every individual consumer. At that time, it is essential for that producer or manufacturer to take the help of these two intermediaries, and by way of these two intermediaries, a producer or manufacturer can sell their commodity up to the consumer. And if any business want that they must be they must be reach up to the each and every individual consumer, definitely they have to be take the help of such a wholesaler and as well as the retailer. Okay, so student, in our today's lecture, as you know that in our today's sessions we have learned what is the meaning of trade. Okay, how trade are classified under two category, internal trade and external trade. Yes, definitely we have not learned in detail about it, but definitely we have learned the short but sweet. Okay, what is the trade, what is channel of distribution, etc. Okay, thank you.